Hello, baking enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the Rachael Ray Nonstick Bakeware set with grips, a must-have for any kitchen. This 3-piece set includes cookie pans in 3 convenient sizes, 9 by 13 inches, 10 by 15 inches, and 11 by 17 inches, perfect for all your baking needs. Crafted from durable steel, these pans resist warping and feature a long-lasting non-stick coating for effortless food release and easy cleanup. The bold-colored, extra-wide grippy handles not only add a pop of style but also ensure a confident grasp, and their oven's safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, when you purchase this set, you're supporting a good cause, as a portion of the proceeds goes to Yum-O, Rachael Ray's nonprofit organization dedicated to helping kids and parents develop healthy relationships with food. With a quality assurance guarantee, this bakeware set is designed to make you feel good about your baking adventures. So, whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, the Rachael Ray Nonstick Bakeware set is your perfect partner in the kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.